Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix Strava leaderboard not updating. Are you having trouble that your Strava leaderboard is not updating? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. 1. Refresh your segment result. On the segment page, click the action button in the bottom right corner and click on refresh my result. This will manually update your times on the leaderboard. 2. Check your activity privacy settings. If an activity is set to followers or only me, the segment times will not appear on public leaderboards. Make sure your activity is set to everyone to have your time shown. 3. Ensure your map visibility settings are correct. If the start or end of the segment is within 200 meters of your activity that are hidden by default, the effort will not be placed on the public leaderboard. You can adjust your map visibility settings to make the full segment visible. 4. Wait for the leaderboard to update. It can sometimes take a while for the leaderboard to fully update with new results, especially if there has been a lot of activity on the segment. Be patient and check back later. 5. Try re-uploading or editing the activity. If your time still are showing up, you can try re-uploading the activity or editing it and then saving the changes, which may trigger an update. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Strava customer support.